If you want to play itch.io games without downloading anything, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and fast way to find browser games on itch.io, launch them instantly, and start playing right inside your web browser. This is perfect if you don't want to install files, save storage space, or just want to try a game quickly before downloading it. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, you'll want to use the search bar and type in Browser Games. This helps you find titles that are designed to run online without needing a download. After that, scroll through the Games section and look for games that support instant play in the browser. You'll usually find plenty of options, from puzzle games to platformers and indie experiments. When you find a game you want to try, click on it to open the game page. On that page, look for the Run Game button. This is the key step, because clicking Run Game tells itch.io to launch the game directly in your browser instead of asking you to install it. Go ahead and click that button and then wait a moment while the game loads. Depending on the game and your internet connection, it may take a few seconds to fully start. Once it finishes loading, the game should open right in the browser window and you can begin playing immediately. No download, no setup, and no extra software required. If the game doesn't load right away, give it a moment, refresh the page, or make sure your browser allows the site to run content properly. In most cases though, the process is very smooth and simple. A quick tip, not every itch.io game can be played in the browser, so if you don't see the Run Game option, that title may require a download. In that case, just go back and choose another browser-based game. The good news is that itch.io has a huge variety of games that can be played instantly, so you'll always have plenty to try. So that's it. Now you know how to play itch.io games without downloading. Just go to itch.io, search Browser Games, scroll to the Game section, click Run Game, wait for it to load, and play directly in your browser. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more simple gaming tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.